Hello, I am talking about animal abuse. Imagine if you went to work one day and your boss said, work until I say stop. However, he doesn't tell you to stop. So you just work until you die. Now you're dead. To begin with, a problem is overworking and killing dogs. Strongly disagree with people who think killing dogs is a good life choice. Most importantly, killing dogs because it is overworked due to your actions is cruel and inhumane. Moreover, forcing your dogs to work to the point of exhaustion is basically torture. Furthermore, some people may say, I have to run the dog to death or work the dog to death to achieve my goals. But instead, you can just keep them alive and be at 100%, yeah. Secondly, allow the dogs to rest and recuperate. That is a solution instead of killing them. In the movie that we watched, in Miss Hillary Taylor Young, what was her name? Miss? Yeah. Third period class, there was this dog, Dave. It was one of the first examples in the movie of a dog being worked to death. Francois, which was a sled runner, ran Dave to death, or ran Dave to exhaustion, and was like, I don't need you anymore, and went, bang, bang, dead. Along with that, between 13,000 and 17,000 racing dogs a year are killed from being overworked. Oh my god. Moreover, around 5 million dogs a year are killed from abuse. Altogether, this means, zoom in, no B1 scrub, show dogs love. Yay!